This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, good morning all. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yesterday we have seen what is meant by warehouse. And if we go with any warehouse management system, what is the significance of that warehouse management systems? Okay. Either it's a EWM or it's any other warehouse package, any other ERP package like this. Now, today we see that, say, SAP WM model one is there. But why again SAP came with extended warehouse management module? Okay, that we check. Okay, say SAP WM model. First, they have incorporated some 3 decades back, years back. Okay, why again they came to EWM means, say SAP is almost monopoly in the ERP businesses. Okay, they have released one package called warehouse management and sold to the various customers. Customer started to use that package. Okay, here two things are there. Any ERP or any software. The first one is the configuration. Next one is the customization. Configuration, customization. Configuration means, say that ERP package use some demo configurations within the system to work for that module. If the standard ERP package is not fulfill the customer requirement, then the customers go for customizations. Very simple to understand. Say, for example, we go to any apparel store, just we buy one jeans. Okay, if that is for the and say, for example, if length and etc. If we want to alter that, that is calling as a customization. Alignment. So once the users started to use this SAP WM module, most of the customers, okay, starting to go with the customizations. This SAP package is not fulfilling their 100% requirement, and they are raising notes, consulting requests as well. See, this process we are not able to map within the SAP WM package and etc. Lot of the SAP realized that our WM package is not fulfilling the customer requirements 100%. So it's better to go for a new package. Without disturbing the SAP WM module, they started R&D work on extended warehouse management. Extended stands for always extending. Extending means whenever any customer or else whenever the SAP identify a new process, they are going to incorporate it or they are going to add within this EWM function. That's why they have given the name as extended warehouse management. Initially, some 10, 12 years back, they started with 5.0, later 7.0, 9.0, like now 9.5 is the latest version. Coming to this one, some 6, 7 years back, they started to research on their own database called HANA. Okay, one database called HANA. Okay, instead of Oracle database. Okay, within the HANA, what they are doing, they are this package EWM embedded. Okay, embedded. Okay, first they start with 1610, 1709, 1809. Now 1909. We are very soon they are going to release further versions are there. Okay, base functionalities are there. Just they are adding some additional functionalities. Base yesterday I have told that 4 pillars are there. The first one is the goods receiving, put away. Next one is the picking and the shipping. So that is the base flavor. What are the additional functionalities? They are adding across these 4 only. Say for example, they want to add a additional field, or else they want to add some new functionality like this. Okay, like they are doing and they are releasing the versions and etc. Now, come to this SAP WM and SAP EWM. What are the functionality differences we can check? Major functionality differences. Say, very first question, if we go to any customer, okay, the customer asks, why I want to purchase SAP EWM? That is the question. We need to define our version. Okay, if you go with the SAP EWM, these features are available, etc. Even in discussions like in implementation project discussions, okay, say everything definitely they will ask at architecture level discussions, requirement gathering to how we can define our versions like this thing we can check. Major functionalities we can check. Okay, stock and bin management. Stock means how many products are there, how many quantity of products are there, etc. Bin is nothing but yesterday we have seen some plastic bins, racks, and etc. That how much stocks we have, you are holding in your warehouse. That is one part. How many bins you have utilized and how many empty bins you have like this. Okay, that is nothing but stock and bin management. This concept is available in WM and EWM both. Next one, storage unit management. Storage unit management means, say, we cannot deal with only loose products. We can deal with packaged products as well. Okay, packaged product as well. Okay, just we can see this. Just ignore this title. Say, for example, I have one product bottle in there. I can deal with the bottles 10 inches or 5 inches or 30 inches like these things. Or else, if I maintain alternate unit of measurements, I can measure it into carton boxes or pallets as well. If we see here individually, this is a bottle. Okay, and if we pack within a carton box, if I call it as a carton box, one carton is equal to 20, means 20 bottles packed in the carton box. If I want to use this one, what I can do, 10 cartons, 20 cartons, 30 cartons like this. Internally, the system can multiply with this 20 just like this. Say again, if I want to go with this product with pallets, one pallet is there. Each pallet, say for example, if I pack 12 carton boxes, okay, 240 inches internally, like this. Okay. Storage units. How we are going to store the products, either loose products or else packaged product like this. That concept also available in both units, but come to here, storage unit replaced with the quantity classification. Quantity classification. And one more thing, whatever, irrespective of the SAP modules, most of the terminologies, if we read from the right side, it's very easy to understand, irrespective of the module. If you go to MM module, purchase order, read from the right side, it's an order for purchasing. Purchase requisition, it's a requisition for the purchase. Purchasing group, a group of people who are dealing with purchasing, like this. SD module, sales organization. It's office organization for the sale, like this. It's very easy. Most of the terminologies, if we read from the right side in the entire SAP, that's very easy. Come to here, quantity classification. Say here, classification of quantities. Eaches, carton boxes, pallets, like this. You can find. Next one, placement and removal strategy. Very simple to understand that yesterday also we have seen placement. Say we bring some products from the supermarket or else some e-commerce company deliver some products, groceries, fruits, vegetables, some some other accessories, okay, washroom accessories, soap, shampoos, like these things. Okay, and coming to these normal products, fruits and vegetables, I can keep in the refrigerator. Groceries in the wardrobe area of kitchen, and this remaining thing is the this one what washroom wardrobe area. That means we are applying some placement strategies. Placement means put away, placement strategies. Okay, like this. We can use it. Next, removal strategies. Say one of our neighbor asks some of apples or something. I cannot fetch for the apple. I can go to refrigerator directly, open the door and get that, pick that apples. Means we know apples are available in the refrigerator. The same thing, if we configure within the WM module, if we configure within the WM module, okay, that is that can advise us. Okay, you can get this product from here, like that is nothing but the removal strategy. Replenishment. Okay, how we can understand the replenishment? Say, just very simple. Say, first general we can talk, and I will show you in the PPT. Okay, I will draw image and show it. Replenishment. Say, in our street, okay, in our street, one grocery shop is there. Okay, general provision store is there. I observe some 10 rice packets nearby to the cash counter. I observe entrance, just like 10 rice packets nearby to the cash counter. Can I assume that? One thing, sir. I am muting all. Yeah. Can I assume that that shop person is having only 10 packets of rice? No. Why? Because he has separate godown and backside of the shop or beside of the shop and etc. Why he kept 10 packets of rice nearby to the cash counter means that is the primary area, that item is the fast moving item. And he decided that always he need to keep some 5 rice packets or 4 rice packets nearby to the cash counter, means minimum safety stock, minimum stock. Whenever the stocks falls below that minimum stock, what he can do? He advised his executive to bring the rice. His executive bring some 6 or 7 or whatever it may be, rice packets, and again he fill up to 10 rice packets. What is the whatever the process bringing from that the backside of the godown to primary area, that is nothing but replenishment. I will draw in the PPT and explain this. Okay. This is our warehouse. This is the warehouse door. Top view. Okay. Say here some docking area is there. Here storage. I'm maintaining like this. Apart from that, this is my warehouse. I divided it into primary area, buffer area like this. See here. This is the docking area. This is the primary area. This is the reserve area, like this. Some products with me. Like this, we can just assume that I am applying strategies. I am filling these products. Okay, I will show you. Say here, one product arrived to our warehouse. First, I have received into the docking area. Now, yes, strategy, the product need to be placed within this area. If I open the system can refer this storage area. See here. This activity is nothing but placement or put away. See here. This. Okay. Removal. Say for example, one company for one blue product and etc. or red product both. Say whenever I open, I try to process that customer order. System propose that blue product can be available here. Our person will go to the picker. That person is nothing but picker resource, picking resource. Pick this product and move to the tracking area. From here, he send to the customer. The same thing for this product also. If any customer order come to for this product, system proposes this is available here. While proposing, system can consider stock removal rule as well. Say here, according to our, see this one, yesterday we have seen something, right? Stock removal rules, LIFO, FIFO, and etc. Everything can be considered here according to our configuration. Okay. Say these products first we are storing in the reserve areas, but come to here, this primary area, my intention is, say here, this blue product, okay, assume that this blue product is a fast moving item. Blue product is a fast moving. I want to store this fast moving item always for quantities in this primary area. Why? Because this is a fast moving item. It's very easy to pick and move to docking area. Why? Because the primary area is nearby to the docking area. See here. If we observe, say from here to here, it is picking. It will take some more time. But coming to here, from here to here, it's very easy. Here to here. In that case, what I can do, I fix one strategy that is nothing but replenishment strategy. Okay. Always maximum level is 4. Always one should be maintained in this primary area. Say for example, one customer came and we deliver one product. Again, one customer deliver this product. Another customer deliver this product. Now, if we see here, only one is there. Only one. Okay, say minimum one. Now, if we run the maximum is 4, assume that. If we this also I pick 0, it becomes. Now, what we can do? We run the process called replenishment. That replenishment means we are bringing for product from reserve area to primary area. Say here like this. This process is nothing but replenishment. I will note down this. Okay, this one. Whatever this process is, replenishment. This is picking actually. Always we can take from primary zone only, primary zone, and according to these stock levels, we apply the replenishment process. Internal action replenishment. Direct cannot be interact with the outside of the warehouse. That is purely internal this replenishment. Okay. This is the picking. This is the replenishment. Now come to our PPT. That is available in both. Now pick logic. Pick logic is nothing but yesterday we have seen first in, first out, last in, first out, like this. First in, first out,
Vijay
last
here.
in. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, please, sir.
Yeah. So, CK, on the replenishment only. So, as we are comparing as normal WM with EWM. So,
Okay.
in SAP WM, we have, when we say replenishment, we have material, and then for that material, we have fixed bin. And then in that fixed bin only, the replenishment happen in SAP WM. The same way it is happening with SAP EWM as well, you mean to say?
Yeah. Yeah, one thing. Here, two concepts are there. Say, for example, yeah. Say, assume that this is a storage type. I'm using some technical word. This is one bin, this is another bin. Okay. Say, at which level you want to calculate the minimum maximum quantity. Two options are available. This blue line assume that storage type, this is the bin. Either you want to go with bin level replenishment or else, say for example, here also some products is there. This is the storage type. Okay. Either you want to run storage type at replenishment at storage type level or bin type level. Two options are available in the EWM. Okay. Say for example, this is the storage type, blue level. If I set level is storage type level, system can consider all the bins, not only a fixed bin. All the bins and calculate the replenishment, how much quantity we need to bring from the reserve area to primary area system. Two levels are available. Storage bin level and storage type level. What is it?
Yeah, thank you.
Now come to here. Pick logic. Pick logic is nothing but yesterday we have seen. Say first in, first out. Say this can be pick first. Last in, first out. This can be pick first. How you are deciding? With the GR, goods receipt date and time. Okay. That is nothing but the pick logic. Okay. So that is available in both systems, pick logic systems. Yeah, actually that is calling as a stock removal rule. No, here stock removal rule. Read from the right side. It's a rule for removing the stock. It's a rule for removing the stock. Stock removal. That is nothing but P4, LIFO calling as a stock removal. Not only last in, first out, first in, first out. Say for example, that I will go through one more PPT, one more slide, I will explain. This is our warehouse. This is a door. Almost for all processes, we draw our own PPTs and explains. We can discuss. This is the talking area. Say one storage type is there, okay, storage area. Here bins are there. Yes, I am going to explain one more stock removal. Yeah, like this is a storage type, and we have some bins, the plastic crates and etc. I want to apply some pick logic. Okay, my logic is wherever the stock, less stock is there, first I need to pick first. Say my product is not having any expiry dates. Okay, my product is not having any expiry date. Wherever the less quantity is there, I want to pick first. I want to pick first. Say, if I configure the stock removal rule as quantity ascending, say here. Here, what is our stock removal rule? Quantity ascending order. Quantity ascending. Ascending means, say for example, always one, zero cannot be considered. First one, then next to two, then next to three, then next to four, like system can check. Okay, if we apply a rule as quantity ascending logic, pick logic or the stock removal rule, from where the system can pick first, here is it. Okay, first it can pick. Next, Ascending. Next, this can be filled. Next, this. Next, this. Next, this. Next, this. Like this. Okay. Here, some 30 fields are there. Sorting is in the extended warehouse management to apply stock volumes. 30 standard fields are available in the extended warehouse management. Here, sorting field means, say, in this slide, what is the sorting field to collect the products, pick the products, goods receipt date and the time, like quantity also. Okay, this is nothing but the pick logic. Anyway, as much as we play in the sessions. HU management. What is meant by HU management? First, we see the definition. We go through some images and etc. HU management. HU stands for handling unit. Handling. It's a unit to handle the product. Read from the right side. Definition. A packaging material plus product or products with a unique ID number. Say here, unique ID, unique ID number means only one time we can use it. Okay, definition, a packaging material plus product or products with an unique identification number is nothing but the handling. Now go to here, images. Daily we are dealing with this one for handling in our general life, but we never think about that is a handling. Say here. This is a handling unit. Say here. This is a handling unit. What is the packaging here? Carton box. Cards have more products back. At least, and it is having identification number. Right? Okay. Same thing is calling again. This is one example. Another example I will tell you. So here. This is a pallet actually, wooden pallet. The entire thing also a handling unit. If we have this one, unique identification number. Okay. Handling units. This is also one of the handling examples. And in extended warehouse management, we deal with empty handling units as well. Just like trolleys and etc. For example, if we go to any supermarket or stores, okay, we use some trolleys to pick the products and etc. If we give identification number for trolley, okay, that is nothing but empty handling. Repeated, we can use the number. Number cannot be repeated, but we can use the same handling unit in EWM. Okay, if we have this one. And if we see here, say this is calling, okay, this is calling a bracket handling units. Okay, this is for say extendable, say here, pallet, this one, okay, extendable, say 1 feet, 1 feet, 1 feet, 3 feet, up to this one. This is also a packaging material we can see within the warehouses. Okay, this one. Next one. Yard management. That is available handling unit in both systems. Yard management, okay, that is also available in the both systems. What is meant by a yard? So come to here, image. Outside of the warehouse building is nothing but the yard. Outside of the warehouse building is nothing but the yard, compound, just like compound. Say gated community is there. Assume that that community is a warehouse. Entire compound wall is, that is nothing but yard. Okay, like these things. Now, what is the purpose of yard? What kind of arc elements are there within the yard? We can say first checkpoint. Checkpoint is nothing but entry gate and exit gate. Checkpoint. Whenever any truck come into our premises, that can be tracked, check-in at the checkpoint and etc. And parking spaces, say here, parking spaces. Say here, instead of going straight away to the warehouse doors and etc., we park our vehicle. Say for example, one truck is there, normal Ashok Leyland truck or starter truck or something. I have covered with tarpaulin sheet and etc. Okay, if we observe in the factories or something, straight away it cannot go to the doors and etc. First they go to the parking space, there some workers remove the tarpaulin sheet and then that can go to the door. Okay, why? Because say that is optional, straight away also it can go. Say for example, again assume that high floating warehouse we are dealing with. If I do not remember the tarpaulin sheet, straight away if I go to the door, okay, there at least it will consume some 15-20 minutes time if any vehicle came. Okay, that second vehicle also need to be wait for that time. So that's what say those are maintaining some parking spaces and etc. Next, come to here, door area where the vehicle is parking nearby to the door, warehouse door, that is nothing but the door area. Okay, door is nothing but here, that warehouse door. Now coming to here, two things are there in the yard management: transportation unit, TU, and vehicle. Okay, say here TU means container. It cannot be moved itself. But vehicle is having one TU and it can be moved from one place to another place. We can say that passive container is a transportation unit TU. Active container is nothing but the vehicle. Very simple. I can say here this entire thing is a vehicle. Okay. And come to here. These are the transportation units. This is a TU. Okay. This is the TU. That is the vehicle. Entire thing is a vehicle, but only this one. Say for example, yeah, each container or each bogie we can consider as a transportation. If we go to this one, goods train, entire thing we can calculate as a vehicle, but each compartment means each bogie we can calculate as a transportation. Okay. These kind of terminologies we see in the yard management. Next one. Expected goods receipt. This is available in WM but not in the EWM. What is? Say general purchasing cycle, if we see in company or plant or whatever it may be, there is a purchase order to vendor. Okay. What vendor will do if we are expecting some confirmation? Okay, vendor sends confirmation. What did that confirmation means? We can say that ASN, advance ship notification. What kind of information available within that ASN? How much quantity of products he is going to supply, on which date the product is arriving into our company, that information is there. Okay, what is the benefit of that? Why ASN is required? Say, according to that product quantities and this one part date, I plan resources. Say, for example, I arrange a purchase order for one generator for my company. Okay. If vendor sends, we are dispatching the generator on this, maybe expected arrival date is on some 10th October or something. What I can do? I lend a crane to unload that generator for the 10th date. 10th date. Means here we are applying, here we are planning our activities to receive the generator. Okay. So that advance shift notification helping us to plan our resources. Okay. This is nothing but confirmation. Say for example, assume that in one case we raise a purchase order. Vendor did not send the advance shift notification, but suddenly product came to our premises. What should we do? In the system, we don't have any advance shift notification. Advance shift notification is nothing but inbound delivery in the ERP system. Okay. Say here, I don't have any advance shift notification in the system. I cannot wait until the advance shift notification coming from the vendor and etc. Maybe he sent to us, but or else he forgotten or got missed by courier or something. In that case, what I can do, I refer the order only, purchase order only to receive the products. In the first case, we refer the ASN for the receiving the code. In the second case, if ASN is not there, I refer the purchase order. Okay, say here. And with reference to open purchase order, I receive the goods receipt. Why open word? Okay, why not direct purchase order? Means, say for example, purchase order quantity is 100 quantities. First ASN vendor sends some 40 quantities. I have received in my premises. Second ASN is not there. Suddenly some 25 quantity came. 25 quantity. In that case, we need to refer open purchase order. What is our open purchase order? Already 40 60 is there. Against the 60 open purchase order, I do the GR for 25 quantities. This process is nothing but expected goods receipt. This process is nothing but expected goods receipt. Okay, this one. Now, this functionality is not available in WM model, but it is available in EWM, but one star mark. EGR. Expected GR. Not available in ERP WM. EGR available in decentralized EWM only. Decentralized only. Not in HANA embedded EWM. Not in HANA embedded. Expected goods receipt available in decentralized EWM only, not in HANA embedded. That we can see in the sessions. Next. Come to here, value added services. What is meant by value added services? Say, one or two examples we can check. If we go to Gulf region, okay, they don't have any agriculture farms or else meat farms. like sheep farms or poultry farms or etc. But then how they are getting food means they are importing from surrounding countries and they are maintaining cold storage warehouses. Let's say, for example, we take some meat product example. They import from assume that Egypt or Turkey some tons of the meat to supply to their stores and etc. As for the nature of the product, without applying preservation, it's not possible to store for a couple of weeks, couple of months. We should have to apply some preservation for that meat product or else fruits, vegetables as well. But in my warehouse, I want to track how much quantity of preservation or else, say for example, I use some other special packaging. I want to calculate the quantity of packaging materials, etc., etc. For that, we go with the value-added services. Value-added services means we are providing some value. It means increasing the shelf life of the product. Product remains same. Another example, say for example, one of our cousin or friend residing at USA. Okay, he asked us to send some pickles or powder from India. If we go to that store and if we say that I want to send this for a foreign country and etc., what they can do? 8 pack they can do. 8 pack. The same pickle or powder if we purchase for our home, no need to go for the 8 pack, travel packing, etc. Means product remains the same, but according to its destination shipping, adding some value addition. That is nothing but value added services. That a shop person will charge some 50 rupees or something additionally for that airtight packaging. That can be tracked by value added services. Anyway, we see in the detail. Next one. This is not available in the WM, but this is available in the EWM. Next one. Opportunistic cross docking. What is it? First, say here left side, ignore for 2 minutes. First, right side. Say here some docking area is there. I'm not talking about staging region, just docking area. Whenever the truck comes to our premises, we have unload the products. We are going to unload the product and we keep into their respective storage areas. Whenever the customer order comes from any outside, we pick the product from their respective storage areas and move to another docking area and send to the customers. Okay, this is the normal process. Now come to here, opportunistic cross docking. Here, two docks are there. One is receiving dock, another one is sending dock, issuing dock, assume that. Now say one truck is came to our docking area, okay, I'm receiving the products. At the same moment, some sales order is there for these products. Instead of moving inside this product, what I can do, I move this to issuing area. Means receiving dock to issuing dock, cross docking. Why? Some opportunity is there for the product. This is nothing but opportunistic cross docking. Okay, this is some one of the optimization process in warehouses, but normally we cannot use this for experimentation products. Say for example, always if I pick the products from here only, what about these things? Experiments with this one. Okay, like this. Next one. Dynamic cycle counting. Before going to this dynamic cycle counting, okay, what is meant by a physical inventory that we can see? Say I'm running a godown, okay, a plant, whatever it may be, godown, business, whatever it may be. I'm using some books, registers, or else I'm using Excel sheet, or else I'm using SAP, or else some other ERP. One side I'm noting down inward. Other side, whenever a product goes to outside, I'm noting down outward diagram. Inward, outward, inward, outward. Say for example, one product A is there within the book. It is showing as 95 quantities within the book. But I want to compare what about the realistic quantity in the shop floor of the product. In the book, 95 is showing. What I can do, I get the printout from the system of that product wherever it lies. I go there and count. Once after counting, we will come to know that either the products are three chances are there. Exactly 95, or it's less than 95, or it's more than 95. Okay, say here. Say for example, if less than or more than of the 95, the same actual count if I post within the system, that process is nothing but physical inventory. Okay. Say possible this one. Say during festive seasons, say we purchase some 100 products from our vendor, he send some 4 or 5 free products, the same products free. Instead of discount, he's giving 100 plus 5 like these things. Okay, just like our coffee powder, boost like this thing, they give 25% extra, 10% extra like this. Okay, during the goods received, okay, just our workers, labors, normal. They check that 100, okay, came. Even though 105, they can process as it is with 100 only. Whenever we go for the physical inventory, that leads a positive operation system. Negative operation, when it will happen. Normally in warehouses, these inspectors or supervisors, they observe the products. Whenever some products are damaged, okay, they thrown from that storage area to some zone or some dustbin or something, whatever it may be, but they have not entered that activity in the system. These kind of things may lead to negative operations. Okay. That entire process is nothing but the physical element. Now coming to the cycle count. Okay. Say one pharma company producing some tablets. One tablet cost is 5 rupees, another tablet cost is 500 rupees. Look wise same, grammage wise same, okay, but cost vary some 100% like this things, 10% more than this one. Means say look wise same, but base material is same, but that drug cost, bulk drug cost is more for the 500 rupees tablet. Okay, say that is a major item in the business. What they can do, normally physical inventory yearly once are prefer companies. Coming to this bulk drug cost of that 500 rupees tablet, every 15 days they want to keep registers accurate. Why? Because assume that 1 kilo cost is 1 lakh rupees, etc. If 10 kilos missing of that product, 10 lakhs, that's badly impact on the turnover. Badly impact on turnover. So what they can do? Every 15 days or every 1 month or every 2 months, they go for cycle counting of that specialized product. Okay. Like they can segregate the products, highly worthwhile products, they go for the cycle counting. And coming to the EWM, if we set a background job within the system, okay, automatically system creates cycle counting documents. Okay. That is one advantage. Not available in the WM. It's available in the EWM. Next one, loading, unloading of T2. We can see the yard movement. Say here, yard movement is there. Whenever vehicle comes, first thing is the check-in, next thing is the parking area, next, whenever the door is available, we can assign and move to the door. Then loading start or loading end. Say here, when the loading is started, when the loading is ended, when the unloading is started, when the unloading is ended. That is possible to calculate in the EWM system without yard management. What is the advantage of it? Say, for example, apart from our normal employees, warehouse employees, some Hamali group, say some services, we are lending services hourly base from one of the manpower supply company for loading and unloading activities. In that case, these calculations help the company to provide the invoice for that calculation, loading and unloading. Next one, deconsolidation. What is this deconsolidation? This is very important part of the, and daily we are doing deconsolidation in our home as well. Say, assume that we went to some supermarket, we bring some groceries and fruit vegetables. All are in same bag. Once we reach the home, what we can do? We keep that bag into some door area or on the dining table. First, segregate that. Fruits, vegetables one side and the groceries on the other side. Segregate it. Okay. After segregating the process of those packets, we keep fruits, vegetables in the refrigeration and remaining grocery in the wardrobe. That is nothing but deconsolidation. I will show you in the PPT. Say here two products are there. As for our strategy, this product need to be stored here, this product need to be stored here. Now, same vendor supplying both. Okay, we raise a sales order for the vendor. Sorry, customer purchase order. What the vendor did, both products he packed together. Both products he packed together and sent to our premises. Just I have received into my docking area, but this product need to go here, this product need to. What I can do is I move one of the table or something. I move one of the table or something, okay? This thing. Say here. From docking area to I move. Okay. First I move one of the table and etc. Here we can deconsolidate it. Here. Deconsolidate it and move this item to here, move this item here. Okay. Whatever we did, this was say here unpacking and deconsolidate. This is nothing but deconsolidation process. Okay. Widely used, your warehouses widely using this process. This is common. Okay. This is common. Okay, like this. Next. Slotting and rearrangement. What is? Okay. Actually, this is one of the internal process. Say this is my warehouse. Okay, this is my warehouse. Say assume that here three products are. One product I move to here. These two products I move to here. If I rearrange, I can get one storage bin free. This I can use for some other product like this. This is nothing but rearranging. But what is the criteria here? For that, we maintain some slotting index. Okay. With reference to that slotting index, slotting process can provide the information where we need to move this product and etc. Can be this one. Okay. It can be initiated by this slotting process. After slotting, we go with the rearrange. Next one, labor. Yesterday we have said labor management, nothing but say one packaging activity is there. I fix some 5 minutes time. Some worker complete in the 4 minutes, some worker complete in the 6 minutes. We can calculate like several activities the workers will be doing in the warehouses. Okay. Cumulated average. We can calculate the workers and provide the appraisals for them. All that can be traced out through this labor management, and this labor management is integrated with the SAP HCM article. Okay. These are the major functionalities. Several things are there during the sessions wherever required. We see either this functionality available in WM or not, and etc. We can see. Okay. Any doubts regarding today's session, sir?
Hi, sir.
Any doubt?
Mohit this side.
Yeah,
Hello?
sir. Yeah, sir.
So, sir, in the consolidation, like we unpack the material, right? So,
Correct.
for that one, we need to define any storage type for that area where we need
Yeah.
to unpack it. Okay. And
Yeah,
what will be happen for that? Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, right. So, what will be happen for that material? Like we use one carton box for this one. So we remove our material from that carton box. So now the empty carton box is there. So do we need to scrap it, or what do we need to perform for this carton box?
Yes, exactly. That is what one of the beautification of extended warehouse management. Empty handling units also possible.
Okay. So we further use this empty handling unit, right?
Yes, exactly. Say that bought carton box is in good condition. We can use for some other with the same number.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Number cannot be repeated. Okay, got it. Same number we can use. Number cannot be repeated. Unique number like this.
Okay. Okay.
Any doubts, sir? Yeah.
Yeah, hi. I have just one point, maybe clarify. I have a certain understanding when we say expected good result. So I will,
Pardon.
and then wherever I have a doubt, you can continue on that. So, as you explained, sir, shall I proceed?
No, no, so, one thing, sir, we are not able to hear properly. Could you please type in the chat box? I will answer. I think your audio is not audible, your voice. Could you please type?
Okay, okay, I will type it then.
Type.
Hello. Yeah, I have a question about handling unit.
Yeah, tell me,
So
sir.
you said handling unit is a combination of packing material and the actual product, right?
Correct.
And the now handling that packing material or handling unit ID should be unique number, right? So what is that unique means? Since we are
Unique
reusing the packing material again and again, so how can it be unique? Or,
material is using packaging material. For 10 cotton box is there. Assume that cotton box for first cotton box 1001, second cotton box 1002, third cotton box 1003. Same handling unit types, but number is different, right? That is the unit. Packaging material same. We can give number another number, okay, like this.
okay.
And sir, you talk about this opportunistic cross-stocking. For this one, we are not tracking any stock, like from receiving location, and we directly do the goods issue for that one. So the stock will not move in our storage type and bins, right? So we cannot track this one on monitor, that stock.
Packaging handling units, right?
No, no, no. Opportunity cross-docking we talk about here, no? Opportunity cross-docking.
Docking, yeah. Say, whenever I receive the goods into that docking area, immediately from there itself we send to the customer. We can
Okay.
track, monitor as well, what is
So,
happening.
okay. So it in bins at bin level we are not able to track this one, right?
See here, that is not going to bin. That is going
Okay.
to dock area. There we can see.
Okay. Okay. So any warehouse task and warehouse order will be created for this one, right?
Correct. Warehouse order is there, warehouse request is there, everything is there.
Okay.
Yeah, coming to here, could you provide easier example for 100 PO and 2 ASL with EWM steps? Okay. Easier example, say 2 ASN. 2 ASN. ASN comes into picture, so no question of EGR. No question of the EGR. Either you want to go with the EGR or else ASN, only one. Okay. So here. If the ASN is not, then only we go for the EGR. We refer the open purchase order and receive the quantity. ASN is there, we can go these things. Okay. Anyway, steps and etc. we cover it in our sessions. How we can do the parcel here. Okay. Yeah.
So, sir, ASN creates a inbound delivery, right? And which gets consumed into EWM, correct? So
Correct.
EGR also creates a inbound delivery.
EGR return coming back from EWM to ERP, it will create one inbound error. Yes. Reverse it will come.
Okay. So they will, I mean, CWM will do the receipts against the purchase order directly, right?
Correct, exactly. Open purchase order.
Okay. But in the ERP, it will create a inbound delivery.
Yes, exactly. Reverse back. Reverse. It will create.
Okay. And sir,
Any doubt?
kitting is also a part of this functionality anywhere?
Yes, we discussed kitting, kit to start, kit to order. Kitting is
So
there
is
in
that
WM. I'm not aware of anything of the ECC WM. Do we have any kitting process in the WM, sir? These are slides, very old slides, 2015 slides. Kitting is there in WM, sir? Okay, that's awesome. Yeah. Okay, we discuss kitting, everything. Any doubts, sir? Before closing the session? Okay, we will meet on Monday again. Okay, we don't have sessions on Saturday and Sunday. Thanks for the session. Have a nice weekend. Monday, same time 9:30. Bye. So thank you. Thank you.